hopefully, I'm going to be putting in the radio in this truck. So this is going to become an Apple CarPlay Kenwood radio in the sub that is a 15, but is gonna get hooked up in that amp too. Oh yeah, Kenwood warranty. Sick. This looks pretty fancy. Guess let's see how this. Alright, so my new radio is currently wired almost all the way. Initial test. There's the old one. And the amp right here. It's kind of janky. It's really fucking janky. But this is gonna, you know, it's gonna connect. And splice in, oh shit. Splice in my power wire. 2 power wires on that. And I got the battery is the blue, ground is the brown, remote is the little blue wire. And then it's grounded to where the seat bolt is. I had to wire brush it though. Like, wire brush the crap out of it. You can still see like paint and shit. And on, like I had no kind of protect or power lights. Wire brushed it and then it came on, so double check. Like I was like, what the fuck did I do wrong? Yeah, how fancy. Can't even really go anywhere. Amp. Anyways, but it's down there. So now we play it. What are we doing here today, Mr. Kyle?
Putting in a 10.
Putting in a 10. Ew. You got the kicker comp.
Just regular,
yes.